Good evening. The pandemic has made a lot of difference to automobile sales. The pandemic meant that automobile sales crashed. But it's not only the pandemic that has affected us, it is also the lack of buying power among India's middle class. Like I have pointed out several times, India's two wheelers market has gone through a structural slowdown. It is more pronounced in two wheelers. It also exists in cars because for the last several years, both automobile sales in India have hardly moved the needle. In fact, this year, post the pandemic, sales of two wheelers are structurally down 23%. The sales is down to a 7-year low, and if you slightly push the button, it goes to nearly a 10-year low, with 1 year being the exception. How has this affected the various brands that are present in India? As you all know, India's two wheeler market is basically a fight between Hero and Bajaj, with Honda and TVS bringing up the rear. Suzuki and Yamaha have only a minor presence. But Rajiv Bajaj, once he took over Bajaj Auto, decided to discontinue production of scooters and put all his focus in motorcycle manufacturing. In those days, Bajaj Motorcycles was at the bottom of the heap and was bringing up the rear. Yesterday, during a normal market condition, a report in Business Standard says for the first time, Bajaj Auto has become India's largest motorcycle manufacturer. By producing 338,000 motorcycles in a single month, he has taken the pole position. In the same period, Hero Motors could produce only 329,000 motorcycles. The difference between them is very small and is only about 8,000 bikes. But it is a significant change because Hero, for the first time, has lost its pole position. During the peak pandemic, what had happened is Bajaj had taken a small lead because it could export and local sales were completely down. But today, when both local markets and exports are fully open, Bajaj has clearly taken the lead. The reason being, Bajaj for a long time has been concentrating only on motorcycles, and being the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer was Rajiv's ambition. To that effect, he started exporting his products a long time ago, especially to South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. This meant that at one time, when the Indian market slowed down, Bajaj Auto would benefit. Out of the 338,000 vehicles they manufactured last month, only 145,000 was sold in India. The majority of the sales was taking place outside India. And because they had concentrated on the export market for a long time, they continued to grow even during the pandemic. Hero Motors is largely dependent on India's sales. And because the pandemic was severe in India and there is a structural slowdown in two wheeler sales, Hero's sales have collapsed. Out of the 329,000 vehicles manufactured, Hero sold 308,000 in India itself. Thus, the structural slowdown in India has affected Hero Motors and other companies but has not affected Bajaj Auto. While we are discussing automobiles and especially two wheelers, it is pertinent to point out that I had a conversation with an executive from Ford Motor Company. He was of the opinion from within a year, 30 to 40% of all new sales that take place will be electric scooters. And within 5 years, more than 50% of scooters on the roads will be electric scooters. And the internal combustion two wheelers will be the first one to die out. For this reason, Bajaj Auto has formed a separate company to manufacture e-vehicles. For some time, Bajaj did launch two variations of electric scooters under its brand name Chetak. But for reasons best known to them, they stopped the production and decided to float a new subsidiary. As we talk about this, more unknown players are entering the market, A company called Bounce in Bangalore says it is already ready to deliver scooters. And according to him, the scooter is available at 68,999 rupees. There are two different models with which the company hopes to build numbers. One, it will give you a full battery pack at the rate of 68,999 plus taxes. There is also another model where the bike will come without a battery, but the battery will be provided by the service provider, and that vehicle is going to cost 46,000 plus taxes. So, what Bounce is saying is they will give the battery as a subscription service and will give you replacement batteries whenever you require. The managing director of Bounce says his mission is to make India adopt EV vehicles faster than any other country in the world. While other countries took a top down approach with high end brands going electric first, India seems to be taking a low end brand with scooters and electric cycles making a start and people putting pressure for electric vehicles. This means that the Indian industry is completely changed. The fall of Hero Motors to second place is an indication. And the fact that Bajaj Auto is the world's largest two-wheeler manufacturer shows the power of a visionary leader. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written two books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आनंद श्रीनिवासन है और मैं एक पर्सनल फाइनेंस कंसल्टेंट हूँ। मैं 2 यूट्यूब चैनल चलाता हूँ पर्सनल फाइनेंस के बारे में। एक मनी पेज तमिल में है। मेरे बहुत से दोस्त बोले कि मैं हिंदी में एक चैनल शुरू करूं, तो मैंने एक पैसा बोलता है नाम का एक हिंदी चैनल शुरू किया है। मैं पर्सनल निवेश के बारे में ही बात करूंगा। आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करें। अगर आप हिंदी नहीं जानते हैं तो पैसा करें। जो आपके दोस्त हिंदी जानते हैं उनको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आग्रह करें। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।